Hi, it's Christina again. Let's see what today's question is. So what you would do first if your frontal is lifting is you would pre-lift your system from the temple to temple and use one of the solvents that we do carry here. Based on preference, whatever you prefer, we have alcohol-based and salt and oil-based solvents. If you want an oil-based solvent, which is more easy cleanup and easy removal because it helps remove the residue a lot better, would be our C22 solvent. But at the same time, our C22 solvents, because it is oil-based, if you're not careful and you use too much of it, the constant cleaning and pulling back of the system will cause even more lifting to the back, more so that the whole system could possibly come off. So what I like to recommend for clients for at-home cleanups is rubbing alcohol because it's less prone to premature lifting or further lifting, causing the system to lift further back. And then you would literally apply whatever tape or liquid adhesive that you prefer. Wait for it to dry and pop it back on. To prevent your frontal from lifting, you can use our Walker Scalp Protector. It helps with oily skin and humidity. Well, that's it for today. All the products I have mentioned will be linked below. See you next time.